welcome to all of you for today's class. I got very positive feedback on behalf of you that in the previous class, actually, I did not complete many of the questions. Multiplication, division, and other simplifying calculation I have left for you, and I heard that you solved those very correctly and you got correct answer. So that is a good way of learning. So in the previous class, we studied what is a circle, how to find the radius, perimeter, and the area, okay, of this circle, and we solved many problem on this. In the same way, the another concept, sector of a circle and its area. So we will know now what is sector, how to find its area. This is also one of the most important topic which is frequently asked in a competitive exam or your any kind of examination, entrance examination for the further classes. And of course, there is no doubt that many questions are being asked in the board examination. So today we will discuss what is a sector, how to find its area and perimeter, or we can say arc length. Okay, so let us start. Sector of a circle. So this is the topic, sector of a circle and its area. Sector of a circle and its area. So before we start any problem, let us know what a sector is, how it is related to a circle, what is the formula for its length, arc length, or whatever you can say perimeter. We can't say circumference because circumference is perimeter of whole circle. Sector is only some fraction of the circle, so we can't say like that it is a circumference of the sector. So actually that is specified for complete circle, circumference part. Okay, then we will know what is its area, the formula for computing or calculating its area. Okay, so let us say this is a circle. This is a circle and here lies its center. Okay, let's say the center is O. Now if you take any 2 points on its circumference, okay, so let us take 2 point, A is here and B is here. Okay, so now if we join A with the center and B with the center, so here we can see that an angle is formed by these 2 points. Okay, so let's say this angle is theta Okay, so now AOB is a sector of the circle with center O. Once again I am repeating my sentence. Now in this situation, AOB is a sector of the circle. So now if this is a sector of the circle, and we know that there is another area which is here, from here to here. So for the sake of simplicity, let us say this is a point C. One point is C here. So OACB is another area. Okay, and OAB is other. So now we can say, see, this is a sector, and since this is minor, it is called minor sector, and the remaining other is called the major sector. So this is minor sector, and this is major sector. Okay, this is minor sector and this is major sector. Sector means this complete area. The minor sector means this complete area, from here to here. Okay, and the major sector means the complete this area. I hope you will be able to see this red color. So this is the major sector and this is the minor sector. Now let us come to the point. What will be the, actually see, now this is an arc, this AB is an arc. Okay, and so the perimeter, you can say it perimeter or arc length. This is arc length. Okay, not perimeter. So you can say that this is the arc length. So we know the circumference of circle is 2 pi r. Then we have to find out the arc length AB. Circumference means what? This complete measurement till here, starting from here and reaching till here. So this is the circumference, but we want only this length, this arc length AB. So now see, this is just a fraction which subtend an angle theta on the center, and if you see, the angle around a point is 360 degree. Okay, we know that how how, yes, if this is an, if this is a point, then there will be an angle of maximum 360 degree. 360 degree. Okay, not more than that. I think you have already read this. Okay, so now see, out of 360, this is the theta. So for this fraction, we can write like this, 360 for this sector. Okay, so this will be theta by 360 because of this part only. Okay, and then since the complete length is 2 pi r, circumference, which is circumference of the circle, and since this is only the fraction of this, that is why if we multiply this with this circumference, then we will get the length of this arc AB. So arc length AB, or you can also write length of arc AB. So this will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. For the sake of simplicity, let us say this is L. So theta by 360 into 2 pi r, which is circumference of the circle. Okay. So for the easy remembrance, you can write like this: theta by 360 into circumference of the circle. Okay, circumference of the circle. So this will be the arc length AB. Just like circumference of the circle we studied in the for the complete circle. Now we are studying just only a part of that circle, a fraction of that circle, that subtend an angle theta on the center. So its arc length is theta by 360 into circumference of the circle. So in the same way, we know the area of circle is pi r square, and therefore the area of the sector will be, now area means this whole complete measurement from here OAB, this complete measurement, and the arc length means only this measurement from here to here. Okay, so now I hope the concept is clear to you. So if it is clear, then we can move for the problem solution. In the same way, the area of the sector will be area of the sector. The area of the sector will be theta by 360 into pi r square, means area of the circle. So area of the sector is theta by 360 into pi r square. Now you have to remember some points. See, if this theta is in degree, then you have to write theta by 360. If it is in radian, so you have to write theta by 2 pi. Since theta is in radian and this 2 pi is in radian. Okay, so you have to write this. If it is in radian, theta is in radian, then you have to write like this fraction. And if the theta is in degree, then you have to write this fraction. Okay. One more thing. See, this is the minor sector of the circle and this is the major sector of the circle. So the area of the sum of minor sector plus major sector will form the complete area of the circle. Okay. In the similar way, arc length of minor sector plus arc length of major sector, OACB, only this length, ACB and AB, because circumference is just only outer measurement. Okay. So the sum of the arc length means only this length, not this. Okay, arc length means this only. So the sum of the arc length of minor sector plus major sector will be the circumference of the circle. Okay, so now let us do some problem for more clarification? So now I am going to erase this. Find in terms of pi. Find in terms of pi the length of the arc, the length of the arc that that subtends that subtends an angle of 30 degree at the center of a circle. At a center of a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So now see this problem. Find in terms of pi. In terms of pi, the length of the arc that subtend an angle of 30 degree at a center of a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So now here complete information is given. This is very easy to do. Okay, the we have to find out the arc length of the arc that subtend the angle of 30 degree. Okay, so to solve this problem, let us visualize it, what is given and what we have to find out. Okay, so this is the center, this is the center of the circle. Now there is an arc, let's say this is the arc AB, the center of the circle is O. This subtends, this arc AB forms an angle of 30 degree at the center and its radius is 4 centimeter. Okay, then we have to find the arc length of the arc. So we have to find this. I am highlighting this. We have to find this length, only this length. So this is the arc length of a minor sector which subtends an angle 30 degree at the center. So you can please write, let AB is an arc that subtends an angle of 30 degree at the circle of the center O. Okay, therefore length of arc AB, because it is given in the problem that we have to find out the length of the arc that subtend an angle of 30 degree. Since this arc is subtend an angle of 30 degree, so we have to find the length of the arc AB. So what will be this? So since this is in degree, so theta by 360 into 2 pi r, the formula that you wrote just now, I think few seconds or few minutes back. So the length will be the length of the arc will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Okay, so now here you can write like this. Here theta equal to 30 degree, r equal to 4 centimeter, therefore arc length AB, okay, you write full length of arc AB, this will be 30 by 360 into 2 pi into r, r is 4 centimeter. Okay, so this will be 0 0 3 1 ja 3 3 2 ja 6 and 2 6 ja 12, so 2 2 ja 4 and 2 3 ja 6. Okay, so this will be 2 pi by 3 2 pi by 3 centimeter. Since it was given in the question that we have to find in terms of pi, so we no need to put the value of pi here, so this will be your answer. The next question is, find the angle subtended at center of the circle, center of the circle, center of a circle of radius of radius of radius 5 centimeter by an arc length of by an arc length by an arc length of 5 pi by 3 centimeter, 5 pi by 3 centimeter. So now in this question, find the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter by an arc length of 5 pi by 3. So in this question, now we have given radius of the circle and arc length that subtends an angle which is not known. Okay, so in this case, let's say this is theta in degree. Okay, it is given that the radius of the circle is 5 centimeter. Okay, and AB is the arc length that subtends the angle theta at the center. So as a solution, what you should write, let AB is the arc that subtends angle theta degree at the center of the circle. Okay, according to question, it is given that, now you can start writing from here. Radius of the circle, radius of the circle, this is 5 centimeter. Arc length, arc length of the arc AB, this is also given, which is 5 pi by 3 centimeter. Okay, but this arc length AB is what? This is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and this is given here 5 pi by 3. Okay, we have to find out this theta. Okay, so now see here, use cross, okay, 2 pi r theta by 360, and this is 5 pi by 3. Now in order to make it simple for calculation, let us do the cross multiplication. Since now our unknown is only theta, so we want to put theta in left hand side and all other constant in the right hand side. Okay, so this will be 3 into 2 pi r theta equal to 5 pi into 360, and therefore theta will be 5 pi into 360 by 3 into 2 pi r. Since r is known, it is given. Okay, now see, this pi will be cancelled out from this. 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6. Okay, now this 2 will divide this into 60 times. Okay, so we have 5 into 1, not 120, only 60 by r. Here only r is left, and r we know it is 5. So this is 5 into 60 by 5. 5 1 ja 5 one times, so this is 60 degree. And therefore you have to write the answer in one sentence. Therefore the angle subtended by the angle subtended at the center of a circle of radius 5 centimeter is theta equal to 60 degree. So you saw that in the previous question, the question was regarding calculating the arc length, and now here arc length is given, then we are finding the angle subtended at the theta. So this is the game of the mathematics. This is a kind of only a play. In every question you will find that some of the variables is given and some one of them will be unknown, and the problem is to find that unknown only. This is the problem of the mathematics. Most of the information will be given in the question, and you have to be answer the at one unknown, at least one, or sometimes maybe two or three, but at most of the times you have to answer the only for one unknown. Okay, so if you have written this, then we can go for another question. An arc of length 25 centimeter subtends an angle of an arc of length 25 centimeter subtends an angle of this is 144 degree. Subtends an angle of 144 at the center of a circle. At the center of a circle. Find the radius of the circle. Find the radius of the circle. So now we have to answer this question. It is given that the an arc length of 25 centimeters subtends an angle of 144 degree at the center of a circle. So let us visualize it. So this is a circle. Its radius is not known, we have to find that. But it is given that an arc length of 25 centimeter. So let's say AB is AB is an arc, okay, and it subtends 144 degree at the center. It is given in the problem. Then we have to find, and it is also given this length. This length is 25 centimeter. Okay, so you please write down. Let AB is an arc length of 25 centimeter that subtends an angle of 144 degree at the center of the circle O. Let small r be the radius of the circle. Therefore, arc length AB, this is given 25. Okay, now this arc length AB is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, and this is given Okay, this is given and this is our according to our assumption, and since this is the same quantity, therefore we can put a equal sign here. So these two quantity will be equal. Okay, always we have to write a relation like this so that we can solve the unknown. We can solve the equation for the unknown. Okay, so now see, theta is given here. Theta is 144 degree. R is unknown. Okay, R is unknown. Okay, we have to find this. So no need to write this. So here, since here theta is 144 degree, so 144 by 360 into 2 pi r. This is 20 pi. So 2 1 ja 2, 2 8 ja 3. Okay, now 90 times 2 7 ja 14, 2 2 ja 4. Again this will be 45. If you divide by 2, 2, 2 3 ja 6, 2 6 ja 12, 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, 3 1 ja 3, 3 5 ja 15, 3 4 ja 12, 3 5 ja 15. So finally we are getting here 4 by 5 into pi r equal to 20 pi. So r will be use 1 here and do cross multiplication. So 20 pi into 5 by 4 into pi. Okay, so pi will be cancelled out and 4 5 ja 20. So r will be 5 into 5, that is 25. Unit will be in centimeter since arc length is in centimeter. Okay, so this is the answer for this problem. Here, so let us see another example. No, it's not example, this is unsolved problem. An arc length of 15 centimeter an arc length of 15 centimeter subtends an angle of subtends an angle of 45 degree at the center of a circle. At the center of a circle. Find in terms of pi. Find in terms of pi the radius of this circle. The radius of the circle. So I hope you have noted down. So now this is a question that we have to solve. An arc length of 15 centimeter subtends an angle of 45 at the center of a circle. Find in terms of pi the radius of the circle. So this is also similar to the just previous question. Arc length was given and we find out radius. So in this problem we have to do in the same way. So you please write down, let AB is an arc that subtends an angle 45 degree at the center of the circle O. Okay. Now we have what we have. We have theta by 360 into 2 pi r equal to arc length is given 15 centimeter. This is given. Okay. Theta by 360 into 2 pi r 15, where you can write here because we did not let r with the radius of the circle, where r is the radius of the circle. Okay. So now this length is given 15 centimeter and this is according to our assumption is equal to theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Here theta is 45 degree. So let us put that. So 45 degree by 360 into 2 pi r and this is equal to 15. So 9 5 ja 45, 9 4 ja 36 and 5 1 ja 5, 5 8 ja 40. Okay. 2 1 ja 2, 2 4 ja 8. So finally we are getting here is pi r by 4 equal to 15. We can assume here 1 in the denominator. So we can use cross multiplication. So in the next term, in the next step, not term, pi r will be 4 into 15. Therefore r will be, this will be 16 and this will divide. So 60 upon pi. This will be your answer because it was stated in the question in terms of pi. The unit will be centimeter. Always remember to write unit, otherwise examiner will cut your mark. Okay. So let's do another question. Please write down quickly. A sector of a circle of radius 4 centimeter contains an angle of 30 degree. Find the area of the sector. A sector of a circle of radius 4 centimeter contains an angle of 30 degree. Find the area of the sector. So now we have given this question and we have to solve it. A sector of a circle of radius 4 centimeter contains an angle of 30 degree. Find the area of the sector. Okay. So let us visualize it over the circle. A sector of a circle of radius 4 centimeter. So this is 4 centimeter radius and the angle is now 30 degree. Okay, so you please write down, let AB is the sector of circle that subtends an angle of 30 degree at the center of the circle O. Okay, and therefore area of the sector AOB, you always specify which of the sector you are talking. Okay, there is another sector, this is also AOB. Okay, so area of the sector AOB that subtends an angle 30 degree at the center. Okay, area of the sector AOB that subtends an angle of 30 degree. So this is by the theory theta by 360 into 2 pi r. Since this is in degree, so we will write here 360. Okay, so theta is now 30 degree and this is 360 degree into 2 pi r is 4. So 3 1 ja 3, 3 2 ja 6, and this will divide this, 4 3 ja 12. So now we have only 2 pi by 3. So 2 pi by 3. And what will be the unit? Square centimeter. Since this is area. Okay. For the sake of simplicity, you can set this reason so that examiner will understand that we are discussing about this shaded region. Okay. So therefore you can write here one line for your answer. And therefore the area of the desired sector AOB which is shaded is 2 pi by 3 square centimeter. Okay, so write down it quickly. So now here in this problem, we don't have given any information, but a relation is provided with the circle. So based on that we can find out. The area of a sector is 1/12 of that of the complete circle. Find the angle of the sector. Okay, angle of the sector means the angle subtended by the sector at the center of the circle. Okay, so let us assume this AB forms are subtend an angle theta at the center O. Okay, then we have to find out this angle. This is not known, but a relation is given. So the area of a sector, so the area of this sector, so you please write down, let AB is the sector that forms an angle theta at the center of the circle. The area of the sector OAB, inside bracket you can write down shaded region, shaded region. Okay, so this will be theta by 360 into 2 pi r. No, not pi r, 2 pi r. This will be pi r square. This is area. Okay, which is equal to 1/12 that of the complete circle. So this is 1/12 of the complete circle. So complete circle is pi r square. Okay, so this is pi r square theta by 360, and this is pi r square by 12. Okay, so 12 into pi r square theta equal to 360 into pi r square. We want theta, and therefore theta will be 360 into pi r square by 12 into pi r square, because these are in multiplication. So this will be divided 1 times, and 12 3 are 36, and this is theta equal to 30 degree. Since we have taken this in degree, therefore this will be in degree. If we have considered it in pi, then it will be in terms of pi, that is in radian. Okay, so here theta is 30 degree. So you please write down answer in one line. Therefore the angle of the sector is 30 degree. Okay, so now we have given this problem. Okay, in a circle of radius 35 centimeter, an arc subtends an angle of 72 degree at the center. Find the length of the arc and the end area of the sector. Okay, so let us visualize it. Why I am drawing again and again here, so that you may also be confident to draw this circle and understand the concept clearly. Sector, what is the sector and the related things. So let's say this is center O and this is sector AB. So you please write down, let AB is the sector that subtends an angle of 72 degree at the center. Okay, therefore or please remove this, therefore given are be known. What is known here? Theta This is 72 degree. R, this is 35 degree, not degree. This is in centimeter. Okay. What we have to find? We have to find what arc length. Arc length AB, how much, and area of AB, AOB, AOB. Okay. So these two quantities we have to estimate. Find the length of the arc and area of the sector. So length of the arc will be this much only, and area of the sector will be this complete. Okay. So I think everything is given here. We have to use formula only and we have to simplify it. Okay. So therefore, arc length, AB. This is theta by 360 into 2 pi r, theta 72 by 360 into 2 pi r is 35. Now see, pi is, if we put 22 by 7, this, then 7 will divide this 35, 7 5 the 35. So you can put here the value of pi also, 2 into 22 by 7. Our purpose is to make this expression as simple as it can be. Okay. And if you are not able to do that, leave in pi, in terms of pi. Your answer will be correct. Okay. So 9 8 ja 72, 9 4 ja 36. Now 8 5 ja 40. This 7 5 ja 35, and this 5 1 ja 5. Okay. So we have 2 into 22, that is 44, which will be in centimeter. So this is the arc length, 44 centimeter. Okay. Now we have to find out the area. Area of sector AOB. This is pi r square. Pi is 22 by 7. R is 35 square. So for making this calculation easy, let us write this twice. That means 35 into 35. Okay. Now 7 5 ja 35. This will be 110 into 35. 35 1 ja 35. 3 carry. 35 1 ja 35. 38. This will be in square centimeter. Okay. So this is the answer. Oh, sorry. I have made mistake. I forgot to write here theta by 360. Okay. theta by 360. So 72 by 360. 72, you can simplify it. So this is 1 by 5 into 1 by 5. 5 7 are 35. 3 5 7 are 35. This will be answer 770. Okay. So today let us stop here. Now there are few questions. I think 8 or 10 questions that we will solve in the next class. Okay. If you enjoy the lectures, please share with your friends so that they may also get benefit from this channel and the class. Thank you.